so much sa aming gift. Gift ng mga candidates natin. Okay. Ma'am, paki-enter lang yung pin. High-tech lang. Oh, ganda. Ilang thousand ito lang pinitira nito. Okay. And the first runner-up, and to allow the first runner-up, we have Miss Jessica Manobo. And later to award the title, Cash and Sash, we have Miss Jill Manoto and our reigning princess, Sofia Isabel Juan. Okay, handa na ba ang malaman ng mga Flappio kung sino? Little Princess Sofia. Okay, huwag na natin naman. Jay, I'll announce the first runner-up and you should do the honor. Okay, ako muna. First runner-up, garnering an average score of 90.85 points.
Okay, our first runner-up for this year's Little Princess of the Other Pillars candidate number 4.
Once again, thank you so much to you guys, thank you so much for tuning with us. In behalf of my co-host, Jay Serrano, Brian Vera, we'd like to thank you once again, Fiona.
Again, tomorrow po ang ating gabi ng palangan. Grand final para sa ating Dance Revolution President Pilar Pop Idol. Okay, and tomorrow at 4 p.m. a bingo bonanza. Okay, again po, mamimigay po tayo ng bingo cards at 2 p.m. dito po sa Entablado. Mag-i-start po ang ating program ng 4 p.m. Thank you so much po.
And the judges would like to invite here at the center now, or Jill. Yes! Oh. Your memory will be etched on every Pio del Pilar's mamamayan na nandirito sa shop. Once again, have a great evening, everybody, and see you tomorrow for the Gabi ng Parangal. God bless you all!
Again, thank you to Kagawad, Jel Manota. Thank you for Madam for coming.
And
Thank you po sa gift.
And to his SK Chairman, Jessica, thank you so much. And to our dear judges, maraming salamat.
Okay po mga street leaders sa Banderitas. Please look for you na dito po sa stage para sa inyong board. Thank you.
Yung tiara po ng